Alright. Yeah, what? Cool. Yes, remind me later. Why would I want you to tell me that now? Alright. What is up, everybody? Sorry that I am late. That's my bad. Had some things that I had to take care of. Hey! How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm good. For some reason now you can't hear the music. Don't know why. But it is a beautiful day outside at currently 1:49 in the morning. Alright, in the morning. In the afternoon. Okay, so anyways. Yeah, let's get some music back on here. Make my face a little smaller. Alright. So, as of last time, yeah, we had gotten the shovel. We had gotten the, zipline gun. And we had also gotten something else. I don't really remember what it was. But anyways, today I would really like to get the compound bow. And I would like to get my hands on the shotgun. Just because, you know, shotgun. So, yeah. Let's go. Get some music back in here, or at least some sounds. Ooh, ee, ooh, ee, ooh, ee, All right. I thought I just heard a mutant's breath, or maybe it's Kelvin. It might fucking just be Kelvin. Nope, and a mutant. It's both of them. Okay. Anywho, that's not what we're even caring about right now. Neither of them do we care about. Neither of those two do we care about. Hide in the bushes. Okay. I know I'm thirsty. I know I'm thirsty and hungry. I know. Or it makes you... Oh, God. I forgot it takes everything a second to load back in. Okay, so hungry, thirsty, MRE. Let's chow that down. Nom 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 nom. Thirsty. Do I have dirty water? Nope, don't even have dirty water, but I do hear water. So, or is that the sound of the snow melting? No, that's water. Okay. Oh shit! Is it about to be nighttime? When the fuck did I save? Did I save right before nighttime? Obviously. Oh, quit being a bitch. There you go. Now we're also going to get this little bucket out, or pot, excuse me. And scoop some of this up too. Thank you. If you didn't know, you can sort of use that as like a flask. I don't know if it, I don't think weight's really a thing on this, because look how fucking fat my backpack is, and I'm good. I would like to have... Just kidding. Oh, shit. Alright. Get back up to this little tent that I made. Catch some Z's. I hope that's my fire. Did Kelvin make a fire? Because I did not. Did I? Nah. Did I? Nah. Did I? What the fuck? No. Does this get purified after a minute, or... What happens here? Can I purify it this way? Is it gonna cook all the germs out? Is it gonna keep me warmer when I put it back in my backpack? Probably not. Sounds like Kelvin. Alright. Seems like it's been on there long enough to cook food. I'm gonna just pick it back up. Dirty water! Alright. Anywho. Whatever. Let's just close that on up, baby. Curl up next to this really, really hot pot and catch some Z's. Oh yeah, we did get the cross yesterday, that's right. Well, not yesterday, but the last time we streamed. There's the shovel, hells yeah, that is what's up. What's the other shit we got though? Yeah, rope gun. Nice, nice, nice. Got the taser, we've had the taser for a couple of days now. Let's throw out this rotten arm. I don't know why that's even in there. Rebreather, oxygen tanks, hells yeah. I think that's what I'm wearing. Okay. Did I even get to read this? Puffcork outbids Sahara Therapeutics for remote island. Location of island is still unknown. Lawyers are under strict NDA regarding sale. Oh god, I could read this. I'm not going to. Sorry. Q and R. Oh, it switches between... Didn't know that. Didn't know that. Who is this? Who is crunching my snow? Oh, shit. Oh, he sees me. Look at him. He's looking right at me. Look at that ugly mama jamma. Oh, no, no. No good. This is no good. This is no good. This is no good. There's too many. I mean, I could probably just blow them all up with TNT, but I want to save my TNT and dynamite and all that. Well, TNT is dynamite, but you know what I mean? Right? Isn't it? I don't know. Acme fucked me up watching Looney Tunes when I was younger. Then I found out there is a company named Acme, and I thought that like that was the actual company when I was little, and turns out it's not. It's just a different company named Acme. I'll have to read that message later. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Put it on, baby. Put it on, baby. Put it on, baby. How many more can I make? Oh, hells yeah. Do 7 of them bitches. Bom, 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 bom. Put the rest of them on real quick too. That's not them. That's, do I got to get rid of this? Yeah, I do have to get rid of this. Remove. Thank you. Alright, where? Oh. Where? Maybe I'll keep them off. Alright, we'll keep 2 creepy armors on, 2 in our pocket for just in case. Alright, so we are wanting to, I want to say it's straight all the way up north, actually pretty near that exclamation point if I'm not mistaken. And that should be the shotgun. Yes, because that's... You know what? We went there in, like, part 2 or 3. And remember, we got there and we couldn't dig it up, so... Yeah. Alright, well, let's head on out, baby. Let's head on out, girl. Is that you, Calvin? Why do I hear... Oh! Who are you? Why are you running at me all naked like? Hold on, are they these people? Are they these people? Brrr. You better get back. You better get back. You better get back. You better get back. Are you not, guy, you got some tiggle bitties. Are you gonna attack? Oh, fuck you. Okay, you are obviously not a lover of Jesus. Oh, fuck's sake. Just, yeah, shatter my ankles to pieces. Okay, so that was the wrong tribe. Don't hold up a religious relic to the wrong tribe that's from a different tribe. I mean, if she hadn't have been so rude, maybe I'd have asked her on a date, you know? But she was rather rude. So, oh, fuck, are you still chasing me? The hell? That thing was, at least. No, thank you. I'd rather not. You know what? I meant to go get the compound bow first, but I think we're actually heading towards the shotgun. But that's okay. Just means we can blast some fools on the way back. Which, speaking of, how many shells do I have? 14? And 7 buckshots. So 21 shells in all. Ah, get off of that rock. Golly. And I'm running, 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 and I'm running. You know, I have not actually gotten the shotgun in this game yet. So I am actually very interested in seeing how much stopping power that baby has. Because you know it's going to blow some things to smithereens. You know it's going to. Smithereens. We just got like a couple more miles of hiking ahead of us. And if I was warm, we could do more sprinting, but my guy's mamma jamming cold. I got on the best article of clothing that I can for the cold too, and he's still cold. Granted, it's just the tactical jacket. I should find some like actual winter clothes. Alright, just think light thoughts. Think light thoughts. Be light on your feet. Don't make it break. Fuck. I can't even get there this way. Son of a bitch. Fuck it. Yes, I can. I'll just swim over this one, too. Or walk over it. Or whatever. Maybe it's salt water and doesn't freeze. I can swim through it. It's okay. What is that? Sounded like growling coming from underneath the water. See what I'm saying? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm running because I don't like that noise. Oh, the crunching. Oh, get out from under there. Yeah, that's a water creature if I ever have heard or seen a water creature, and I didn't even see it. I just heard it. We got water creatures in this thing? Hell yeah, besides a shark, I mean. Is that a squirrel or bunny or something running? Bah! Spiderweb. And we're walking, and we're walking, and we're running, and we're running. I'm cold and wet. Well, you know, shit. I'm just gonna have to hold on that. You have to be a little bit more of a man than that, or girl. Be ah, the fuck was that? I'm not starving yet. The fuck was that? Was it that little creature that scampered off? What was that? Did a squirrel bite me? Eat my top ramen real quick. Drink some of this dirty ass water. Yeah, whatever. Who it is? What creature is that? It wants my feet meat, obviously. What kind of creature is that? Oh, whatever. Can't have my feet meat, baby. Alright, we're getting closer. I can practically smell that shotgun. We are gonna have to dig up some graves, but it's okay. It's okay. Had a bad day. And one of the reasons I'm just taking us, you know, straight to getting some of these items real quick is it's going to be very advantageous for us, like, to have it earlier on. Especially the shovel, because there's so many cache sites, like buried cache sites, that you can get a lot more items from. And just having the shovel, it's just great, and you can actually get into some locations that you couldn't normally get into if you didn't have the shovel. And what the fuck? Is it just deer? Yeah, it's just deer. Ah, asshole. Yeah. Oh, and we get some cloth. That's what's up. 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 That actually bust out the shovel. Lame. You know what? We're gonna mark you 0. What is this lag about? Did I do it? Do I dig more? More? Ho ho. Ho ho ho. Shotgun. Me. Aw, poor guy. What is in his mouth? What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a GPS locator. Alright, buddy. Well, I salute you, man. Don't die next time. Alright, so we got the shotgun. Do I gotta load this baby up, or has it already loaded itself? Combine with nothing I have. Okay. Oh, well. Yeah, I'd rather shoot the slugs. Thank you. This buckshot I have a lot less of. Hey! Can you help me test something out real quick? Wait, come back, friend. I missed him. Down for the count. Oh, dude. I'm so sorry. I'm not sorry. Oh, there's more coming. Okay. Well, we tested that out. That worked like a motherfucking charm. Let's see, how many nines do I have? I got that. Alright, 14. Alright, 19. I don't even have the rifle yet. We got stun gun ammo. Still never used this. I do like the gangster hold on it though. That's what's up. Alright, so we've got the shotgun now. I definitely would like to go get this compound bow. The thing is, oh, it's so far away. It's okay though. Yeah, it's practically on the other side of the map. Let's see, maybe I can find a hang glider. Come on, glider. I'd like to see a glider. I'd like to see a glider. It's probably located with the golf carts. It's the golf carts. And those are golf balls, not golf carts. Shut up. Hang glider. Okay, we do have a couple of them around us. Word. I thought that there was one actually right over here. I've used it before. But there's apparently actually two nearish by, but this one's closer. Okay. It's okay. Had a bad day. Ugh, they are everywhere following me, aren't they? They're just some annoying motherfuckers. Yeah. We almost there. We almost there. We almost there. Shit. Wait, I already had it out. Fucking. Alright. Stun gun. It's up here somewhere, up by these mountains. Mountain, baby. Take me home. Country road. To the place I belong. West Virginia. Mountain mama. Take me home. Country road. Ah, there it is. Now ready to do some hang gliding. Ah, there it is. Alright, baby. This is what's up. This is what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Fuck! No! My feet apparently hit the ground on the edge of the cliff. I'm always able to get to my knife. So yeah, and I guess that knocked the fucking thing out of my hand for whatever reason, and I just straight up fell off the cliff. That's rather funny. I didn't lose my armor either, that's what's up. Take some medicine. How far away am I from that damn thing? Ugh. Alright. Don't make me pull out my shotgun. I think maybe after we get the compound bow and stuff like that, I might take a minute to work on a base, because I've barely done that. And we're gonna need a decent base. Especially if I can have Kelvin, like, cut down the trees so that I don't have to cut down the trees. You know, save some of my own time. Oh, there's a camp over here somewhere. I can hear the music. Oh, hells yeah. Oh. Oh. Did you die in your sleep? Oh my god, okay. Okay, you'll never ever ever know. Thank you. And don't tell me what I'll know. What I'll never ever ever know. Rifle. Money, 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 money. Rope, rope. Food? Nice. More rope? Hells yeah. What's in here? Food, or no, a drink. Light bulb. What homeboy have? Medicine and an energy bar. Okie dokie. Nope. Nope. I'll take that. Anything else around here that I can't see because of the snow? Oh, yep, food. Ramen noodles. Noodles of the ramen variety. Alright. And we're walking, and we're walking, and we're walking, and we're walking. Actually, maybe I should turn that music back on, because next time I load up the game, these items will restock. I'm pretty sure that that means that Okay. Fucking Kelvin, I swear to God, dude. You need to stay at camp, man. I never need you out here. I don't want you out here. Both of them I've never needed, nor do I want you out here. Fucking Kelvin. Reminds me of that Zoe Deschanel song, Who Are You or some shit. It was played in that movie Yes Man, which was not that great of a movie. But it did have Jim Carrey, so if you like Jim Carrey, go check it out. He's always, you know, decently funny. He used to be hilarious, and I'm sure he fucking is now. They just don't know how to write movies like they used to anymore. Or they do, and they just write the same fucking movies over and over and over and over and over and over again. Alright. Don't tell me the hang glider's still down there? Are you fucking kidding me? It didn't respawn up. Of course it didn't. Why would it? Why would it? Well, where's the other one? There's another one that's right over here. Oh, it's just down the bend a little bit. Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. We can go. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, whatever, you know. Fuck that hang glider anyways. So excuse my language, we'll go get another one. I thought that thing turned. What up? Flares? I'll take them. Yeah, I'll take some dog food. Still don't have the, what's up? Shotgun rail. Hold up. Hold up. I said hold up. Where is it? Where is combine with that? That's it. Yeah. Hell yeah. Nope. That's all we wanted to do. Okay. What's in you? Food and liquor. Can I pick you up? Nope. Red wine? Didn't want you anyways. You're not flammable enough. Or at all. Alright. This way. Gotta head a little southwest. Onto one of these other ridges right over here. But don't you worry, because there is another glider. And we aren't going to fuck up and do the same mistake as last time. Ooh, no. Eat that shit, buddy. Eat it. It was a little bit too where's this at? Yeah, drink some. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, I know, it's not good water. It's dirty water, but, you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Sometimes you just gotta take one for the team, you know? Kelvin needs to learn that, obviously. Alright, let's see how much further we got. Okay, the last horseshoe. Last horseshoe. Okay, we got a little bit. Not long. Just past this horseshoe bend. Across there, and into the next one and to the right. And just around the river bend, beyond the shore, as far as the eye can see. Alright, 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 alright. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Alright, 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 alright. We're almost there. It's gonna be right up on those cliffs, I do believe. It's gonna be, you know, probably about halfway down, or towards the middle, the median. 90 HDS. Alright, here we come, baby. There it is. There she blows. There she blows. I hope that's a rabbit running behind me. There she blows. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. This is going to allow us to get way further in less time. Make sure that I don't fucking just jump straight onto another rock and knock this bitch out of my hand like I did last time. I think we're good. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna fly up north or down south. See where this baby even is. Nope, not looking for hang gliders anymore. Closer. Okay, so not that one, but over there, before that, sort of in between and to the left. Oh shit, okay, word. That's what's up, that's what's up, that's what's up. So basically, you see where my little shelter is, right over to the east, well, to our left. It's just a little bit more southeast than that. So we are going to take her towards the mountain. We're gonna have to set her down, probably. Unless I can, like, pick up a speed to get more elevation. Better turn and start sitting this baby down, because otherwise I am gonna hit a tree. Come on, baby. Oh! That's one way to do it. That is one way to do it. Not how you want to do it. Anywho, where is it? 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 There it is. Can I put you in my backpack? I did. Awesome. Yeah, you can't normally do that. I definitely got a mod to where I can hold on to that shit. But anywho's, ba-da-ba-ba-ba, skiddly-doo-boo-ba-ba-ba-doop. We need to get to that shelter I made. Let's sleep until it's daytime. Get out of this darkness. I could build another one, but fuck that. I already got one right over here. Tell me I need to build another one. Come on. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Come on. Nope, we're going up. We're going uphill. That's it. Keep going uphill. Uphill. Nope, uphill. Up. Uphill. 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 Holy shit, he said, nah, man. Am I literally gonna have to go around? Alright, well maybe we are about to build a fucking campsite, because I don't want to make that trip, all that. By the time I get there, it'll probably be it'll be half the night's gone. It'll be half the night gone already. We're just gonna have little fucking shelters all over this damn fucking island, I guess. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. We don't need a second stick, that's how I like it. Oh, shit.